Understanding the phrase, scored high marks in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common English expression, scored high marks. This phrase is widely used in academic and professional contexts, so understanding it can be really beneficial. Let's dive in and discover its meaning and usage. Scored high marks is a phrase that indicates excellent performance in an academic test or examination. The word, scored, here refers to the act of obtaining a certain number of points or marks in a test. When someone scores high marks, it means they have achieved a high score or grade, typically much higher than the average or required standard. This phrase is often used in educational contexts to praise students or to report academic success. In this section, we'll look at some practical examples to understand how this phrase is used in sentences. 1. In academic context, she scored high marks in her final exams, placing her at the top of her class. 2. In professional reviews, during his performance review, John scored high marks for his outstanding project management skills. 3. In everyday conversation, I heard your son scored high marks in the math competition. Congratulations! Notice how the phrase can be adapted to different situations, always indicating a high level of achievement. Understanding similar phrases and synonyms can enrich your vocabulary. Here are a few. 1. Excelled in, she excelled in her studies, scoring high marks consistently. 2. Achieved top grades, he achieved top grades in all his subjects. 3. Did exceptionally well, in her science test, Maria did exceptionally well. These phrases convey a similar meaning and can be used interchangeably depending on the context. I hope this video has been helpful in understanding the phrase, scored high marks. Remember, this phrase is a great way to talk about academic or professional excellence. Keep practicing, and you'll soon be using it like a native speaker. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.